Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 2:45 a.m. At 1:10 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Denmark to near Oshkosh, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Sheboygan around 2:05 a.m., Port Washington around 2:20 a.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here's the forecast for the Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 10:15 a.m. At 9:15 a.m., showers were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southwest of Cleveland to 10 nautical miles east of Oostburg to 26 nautical miles southwest of Little Sable Point Light, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots directly behind showers. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Showers will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Now for the Washington, Wisconsin, Lake Michigan from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to North Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 10:30 a.m. to 9:26 a.m. Showers were located along a line extending from 30 nautical miles west of the White Lake Pier heads to near Oostburg, moving southeast at 35 knots. Wind gusts to 40 knots directly behind line of light showers. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Showers will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Now for the official to Port Washington, Wisconsin, Lake Michigan from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to North Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 10:45 a.m. At 10:12 a.m., showers were located. Moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind continues to gust to 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Showers will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The 10 a.m. weather observations across the from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to North Port Washington, Wisconsin until 11:30 a.m. At 10:22 a.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Cedar Grove to 11 nautical miles west of Port Washington, moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots with showers. Source, radar. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. official national